mods on the ZR1. Our first mod is going to be a Boostlogic titanium exhaust. So we just got it today. Let's unbox her. Dun, 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 dun.
I forgot to record it on my glasses, but that was fucking awesome.
Why did it just shoot out like that? As I was saying, we got our titanium exhaust from Boostlogic, so let's unbox her. Ta-da! So this titanium exhaust is built exclusively for the ZR1, kind of exclusive because it also fits the C8 Z06 as well, but it will reduce a lot of weight and it's going to give her a little bit more horsepower. But the main thing, we're going to hear that growl, that deep growl, because right now with the ZR1, I'm not feeling her growl. So I can't wait to put this on and see how she sounds. And we're also going to put her on the dyno to see what kind of difference it makes with a before and after difference. And let us know what you think. Drop a comment, see what the dyno numbers are going to be, and if y'all think it's going to sound better with or without. Okay guys, the guys have the car on the dyno right now, so we're gonna do a stock dyno pull and see how much it's gonna run. This is gonna be before we put the Boostlogic titanium exhaust, so completely stock. Let's go see. Guess the number. Crazy, just stock, it sounded so good. Okay, Seth, tell us what the final numbers are. Let's go look.
984.
984, y'all. Can you see that? 984. Here's the dyno graph. Is this what you expected?
I guess so. Wasn't sure what it would make. Figured it was gonna be somewhere close to 1,000.
Close to, did you think it was gonna hit 1,000?
I was hoping it would.
I'm just happy that it hit 900. I knew it wasn't gonna do like the full 1,064. But this is pretty impressive for a stock car to have a true 984 to the wheels. But there's more because y'all are gonna put the Boostlogic titanium exhaust. So let's go see, go get it done, and then we'll come back, and then we'll do that dyno to see if it's gonna be faster. Comment on what you think it's gonna be. I think it might be at either really close to 1,000 or a little over. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe 15 more horsepower.
15 more horsepower. Okay, let's go see. Get it done, get it installed.
All right, let's weigh this to see how much it weighs, right? The stock exhaust is 61.7, okay? All right, so the new Boostlogic titanium exhaust weighs 14. So that one is 61?
61.7?
Nice.
That's a huge difference.
guys at Joe Tech already installed the exhaust, so I'm really excited. And we're gonna dyno it right now. I'm gonna give you guys the meta POV of it, and let's see if we can get over 1,000 or 1,000. If I get 1,000, then you guys really have to hit that subscribe button, okay? So I'm gonna dyno the car. You guys say that I don't work on my car. Watch this. All right, y'all will get the meta POV version. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so literally my ears are like, I think I'm deaf right now because that was definitely a lot louder. I don't know if you guys were able to tell the difference, but it was definitely a lot louder. It felt louder. Okay, Seth, what do we got? Let's turn the camera around. Tan-cha-da-dan.
1,005.
1,005, y'all. There it goes. So it is truly 1,000 horsepower car.
Gained about 20-ish in the low range. Mid-range wasn't anything significant, but above 6,500 we started gaining about 20 again. So overall, I mean, wasn't expecting massive gains, but it worked. Sounds good now.
I think it's crazy. I think it's crazy that it's really a true 1,000 horsepower car now. But it sounds so much better because, like I was saying before, it didn't have that that vroom growl to it. And now it does. So I'm so happy. That one
It sounds
difference.
good, and then screaming to 8,000, it sounds nice.
So
And the
tomorrow.
power band is wide. You see,
Here, let me show them.
it actually, you know, your peak power or your power really comes on around 4,000. So you have 4,000 to 8,000 RPM of power band.
She bad. She bad. Okay, Kenny, what do you think?
I like red, so I just like the red curve. I don't like blue, so.
Were you surprised?
No, that looks pretty good. So down low. So down low, you can see here is probably an average of 30 horsepower. So some spots is even 40 or 50. Right there, a little bit right here, and then up top, 976 to 1005. Wow, that's about 30 horsepower gain from just doing the exhaust system.
Wow.
I love the sound and saving the weight and also making an additional 30 horsepower. I say that's a win.
That's so good. 30 horsepower, and
Yeah.
all it was an exhaust. So
No
you don't have to,
tune. Yeah.
no tune. They actually don't have a tune for the ZR1 right now.
Not yet.
And for those of y'all that don't have a ZR1, you can get this exhaust for the Z06, the C8 Z06. So it's compatible for y'all too, because there's way more Z06s out there. But pretty impressive. Thank you guys. Thank you, Seth.
Thanks, Ed. I'll see you tomorrow.
And tomorrow we have Cars and Coffee. So I think it's the last car show of the year, but it's going to be the premiere of the Lunatic ZR1. And I will see y'all tomorrow for the car show. Bye.